Welcome, car enthusiasts and history buffs, to a journey back to 1966, the golden age of American muscle cars. The muscle car era, a defining period in American automotive design, reached its zenith in this pivotal year. But what exactly defines a muscle car? It's typically an American-made, two-door sports coupe equipped with a large, powerful V8 engine. These machines were engineered for high-performance driving, focusing on straight-line speed, and often featured rear-wheel drive. The mid-1960s to early 1970s is generally considered the muscle car era, a time when these vehicles symbolized American freedom and innovation. Let's begin our showcase with the Pontiac GTO, often credited as the car that ignited the entire muscle car craze. In 1966, the GTO became a standalone model, no longer just an option package, featuring a 389 cubic inch V8 engine. Power options ranged from 335 to 360 horsepower, with the tri-power option delivering the highest output. Approximately 96,946 GTOs were produced in 1966, with prices ranging from $2,780 to $3,080. Next, we turn our attention to the Oldsmobile 442, a formidable contender in the muscle car arena. The 442 designation originally stood for a 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, and dual exhausts. However, the 4 in 442 also represented its 400 cubic inch engine, which produced 350 horsepower as standard. An optional L69 package with 3 2-barrel carburetors boosted output to 360 horsepower, with about 21,997 units built that year. Buick's entry into this powerful segment was the Grand Sport, offering a unique blend of performance and luxury. The 1966 Grand Sport featured a 401 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine, delivering either 325 or 340 horsepower. Production totaled 13,816 units, with base prices ranging from $2,956 to $3,167, making it a more exclusive option. Chevrolet's powerful contender was the Chevelle SS 396, a true icon of the muscle car era. It came standard with a formidable 396 cubic inch V8 engine, with power options ranging from 325 to 375 horsepower. Over 66,000 Chevelle SS 396 Sport Coupes were produced in 1966, with a base price around $2,776. Then there's the Dodge Charger and Coronet, especially those equipped with the legendary 426 Hemi engine. The 1966 Dodge Charger offered innovative interior features and a range of engine choices, including the mighty 426 Hemi. This street Hemi produced an astounding 425 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful engines of its time. Only 136 Coronet 500 Street Hemis were built for 1966, making them incredibly rare and sought after. Finally, we acknowledge the Chevrolet Corvette, America's sports car, often discussed alongside muscle cars due to its immense power. In 1966, the Corvette offered a massive 427 cubic inch engine, initially rated at 450 horsepower, later adjusted to 425. The base price for the coupe was $4,295, reflecting its status as a premium performance vehicle. The 1966 model year truly marked a peak in the classic muscle car era, a time of unparalleled power and style. These vehicles left an indelible mark on car culture, influencing automotive design and performance for decades to come. The muscle car is more than just a vehicle. It embodies the American spirit of freedom, power, and individuality.